Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to review with you all the items that we know of as of today for the Boxycharm base box. Now if you're new to Boxycharm and want more information or just want to know how to subscribe, then check out the link that I have for you in my description below. Now I still have a giveaway going on, so if you have not yet had the opportunity to enter, you still have time to do so. So go ahead and check out the video link that I have for you in my description. So for this first category, you're able to receive one of 3 items. Starting off with the eyeshadow palettes. There's actually 10 eyeshadow palettes that are available, but I was only able to get about 8 of them. I don't really know what the other 2 palettes are, but we do know they're from Zenobia. Now, if the eyeshadow palette is not for you, there's 2 items from Alamis, starting off with the Superfoods Calm Hydration Juice. Or you have the Superfoods Calm Cleansing Foam. Now, these are the 3 items for your first category. Now, here's spoiler number 3. These are the Baddington lashes. This is a different category than the previous one I showed you. This one comes with glue because everyone was asking for glue, so Joe, of course, provided it. Now let's review the other confirmed spoilers if you haven't seen them already. And from the Pore Freshenal, you will receive one of the 2 face primers that you see here. Now the next spoiler is a brand spoiler. We were informed that we would be receiving an item from Dose of Color. Now I don't know what item it will be yet, but I have a feeling it's going to be a lipstick. What do you guys think? Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. As always, I will continue to keep you updated, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a spoiler or a video that I have for you. As always guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below or my next video. Have a blessed day.
Alright guys, I'm here with Samantha, and she's gonna help me do a little sneak peek. So those are the products that are gonna be in your choice. Forget those lashes, was a little mistake. We have few palettes from Zoeva. I didn't bring all of them. Samantha, you want to go and help us out and open some of them? So you're going to have few types. Depends on the type of colors you like.
These are really nice.
Let's watch one of them so they can see the payoff. Yeah, so they can see the...
It's really pretty.
Yeah, pretty. And let's go and show the Alamis products that we have over here. So this is a cleansing foam by Alamis, or what is this? Let's open it up.
Hydration juice.
Okay, so is hydration juice technically a moisturizer?
Yeah, it's a hydrating gel.
Okay, so it's hydrating gel, and it's from glass. So I will drop it right now. Okay, alright, so we have quite a few palettes. I will show you this. It's not in the same line, it's a different line. But we do have lashes for some of you who said they like lashes on their beauty profile, but this time we actually included glue. So I figure why not showing this to you guys. So you might be getting this if you said you like lashes, and this time it